In this video, I am going to teach you how to add audio to your card.go website. So if you want to add an audio to your card.go, first thing you need to do is to just head over to their site right here. You have two options. You can either sign up by clicking onto this choose a starting point. Doing this will actually prompt you to choose a template that you want to design and then also sign up when you try to publish it. Now you can also choose in here onto this login. Now this login option, you can choose this if you already have an account. I'll just choose this one. Once you have logged in, you can see all of the sites that you have published. I have in here this site. Let's click onto this pencil icon. Doing that will allow me to edit this. Now, if I want to add an audio, click onto this plus icon right here in order to add an element. You can see in here our window. You can choose in here the audio option. So once you have clicked on this, you can just input in here the audio of the URL. So we have in here URLs from the accepted formats from Bandcamp, Google Drive, and as well as SoundCloud. So just head over and go over to one of this right here in order to get the audio file. So we have in here this, just head over and copy the link from Bandcamp. Head over right here to your card and then input right here the URL. So make sure to choose the actual format from this case right there. And then once you're done, click onto this down option. And after that, it should be able to reflect right here this audio. You can also click on edit right here and you can also change the URL if you want. So if you have some more URL from Google Drive as well as SoundCloud, you can also add that right here. And if you want to add another audio, you can just do so by clicking onto this plus icon and adding a new element for that particular playlist. So that's how you add audio to your core.co website. Hope we help.